Hi there, sweet students! Today I'll teach you how to prepare for IELTS. For those who are new here, hi, I'm teacher Melike. Nice to meet you. Welcome and welcome back to English Central. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting updates. Now, let's get started. IELTS has two versions, academic and general training. The academic version is typically taken by those applying for higher education or professional registration, while the general training version is often used for immigration purposes or non-academic training. Both versions consist of 4 sections: listening, reading, writing, speaking. You need to improve all 4 of these skills if you want to get a high score on IELTS. But first, let's talk about 2 main points that will help you improve. 1. Vocabulary study. In exams like IELTS, it's important to use advanced vocabulary. In particular, if you are going to apply for higher education and therefore take the academic version of IELTS, you need to learn academic vocabulary. As an example, instead of saying very big, try using words such as colossal. Instead of very good, say splendid. Or instead of very bad, say detrimental. Don't worry though, natives don't use such fancy words as much during their daily lives. 2. Grammar. Although improving your skills might look more important, using grammar properly is just as important. But I know studying grammar is pretty boring and we tend to forget a lot of details after we study. So my tip for you is to learn expressions and daily sentences and follow them as grammar guides. As an example, let's think about the sentence, my name is. My name is Melike. This sentence has no grammatical errors. It is an easy sentence used by many people every day. However, what makes this sentence easy is not because there are seemingly fewer grammar rules there. Beginner students will be able to say my as they say my name without knowing what genitive pronoun means. This is because they know the expression my name is as itself, as a whole. So try learning how to express things around you in whole sentences. Warning, don't try following this tip with idioms. Idioms are not proper grammar guides. They're not grammatically correct all the time because they sometimes use an artistic way of expressing something. Or they might have a grammatical form that was acceptable in, let's say, Old English, maybe, but not in English we use today. Let's move on to the parts of IELTS now. 1. Speaking part. For speaking, try talking to another speaker. During the IELTS exam, for the speaking part, you will have to speak to an examiner. So practicing with someone face-to-face may help you overcome your anxiety. You can try having one-on-one live lessons with our teachers. We even offer you your first lesson for free. Or maybe try group lessons. The more the merrier. Seeing more people may help you get over your anxiety better. Another important point for speaking part in IELTS is that you need to know the format. What will happen is that the examiner asks you some questions and you are expected to answer them. But you are expected to give more elaborate answers. As an example, the examiner asked you, where is your favorite place to go? You can't answer this question simply by saying library. You need to give a more detailed, elaborate answer. Say something like, I like going to the library because I like silence and I consider myself a bookworm. I also get to meet new people sometimes because there is a cafe next to the library I like to visit. It is so much fun for me to go there, so I go to the library at least once a week. Or maybe you are asked to tell them about your favorite vacation memory. Even if you can't remember an exact memory, make one up. There is a saying that goes, fake it till you make it, because let's be honest, what the examiner is trying to understand is not how powerful your memory is. but rather how well you can speak. They don't care if the story is real or not, just give them something. 2. Listening part. For this part, I will recommend you practice listening different English accents. The IELTS accepts a variety of accents, including British, American, Australian, and Canadian, among others. So being more familiar with the other accents may help you improve. Also, try listening to conversations and taking notes while you listen, because that's what you'll be listening to and you will be expected to remember what was said. You can try listening to podcasts as an example. 3. Writing. English writing is different than other languages' writing. In fact, all languages have their own way of writing something. For English essays, I want you to imagine a straight line. When writing, you must never go out of that line. Stick to the point until the end. Do not mention other topics, even for giving examples from similar situations. This rule applies to all essay formats. Whether you're writing an argumentative essay, a compare and contrast essay, or a reflective essay, you must stick to the point. Would you like me to mention different essay formats? Let me know in the comments. 4. Reading. For reading, be mindful of the format. As an example, the number of passages. There are 3 passages in both versions of the test. Question types. A variety of question types may appear, including multiple choice, matching, sentence completion, summary completion, true, false, not given, and more. Total time, you have 60 minutes for all 3 passages. Scoring. Each correct answer receives 1 mark. There is no negative marking, so it's beneficial to attempt all questions. And there you have it, my tips for you to prepare for IELTS exam. Would you like to learn more? Keep watching our channel and you will find out. Or if you feel impatient, you can click on the link in the description box and visit our website to learn more about it. If you liked this video, please consider giving us a like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Don't forget to comment. I'm thrilled to see what you guys think. Until next time, take care.